Kesamlakan thei kebadang khat prasnam kerta ka Aishwariya Malang kaban mi khmat hakat nestin diva Meghalaya Jaipur kli yong riang jowai kalapen pau bakrastang rung shaka jingkyakop pen theibhabriew kade nadu bakarang don haka khat snem kerta kadien mau designer jongka ukon kyrpad ul ai men siam yaka menstang yak kam modeling pat banyai haka jingkyakop theibhabriew.
So, sedang my journey yung nga porwa kadvis na mas sedang like ki fashion shows modeling, and after that I started competing in pageants when I was 14 years old, which is the Miss Joy Teenager pageant, and later I started joining the Miss Giantia Queen in 2024 when I was 16 years old, and now currently, I'm preparing for the Miss Teen Diva pageant, which is the national pageant. Thank you.
National pageant going to be where?
Oh yeah, the national pageant. It will be held in Jaipur from the 11th till the 19th, and the finale is going to be on the 19th.
Could you tell us some of your experience and maybe in your journey you have found challenges?
Yeah.
What are those challenges? Could you share it with us?
Yeah, I faced many setbacks, but with the support from my families and my academic pressures, I had to stop pageantries for a while. When I was in class 11 and 12, I completely stopped competing in pageants, and also for my while I was preparing for my NEET examinations. While I was in Chennai back then, I stopped competing in pageants, and then I pursued to continue to chase my dreams as I want to become a doctor. Thank you.
As of now, how old are you?
Right now, I am 18 years old.
Is this the first time that you compete outside?
Sorry?
Is this the first time that you have competed?
Yeah. This is the first time that I'm going to compete in the national pageant.
How confident are you that you are at this time you have to go outside the state?
Sorry?
How about the confidence?
My confidence? Yeah, I feel like I'm fine. I'm ready to compete because I've prepared. I've worked really hard for this pageant. I've worked like a month. I've been preparing for a whole month. I've been practicing and then checking up on everything. Thank you.
Do you have any professional trainer regarding?
Yeah. I do have a mentor. She's Irene ma'am. I go to training to her.
What are your expectations on this coming appreciate?
My expectations. I think I would really want to win. I would really want to make our state Meghalaya proud.
Altogether, how many competitors will be there?
Altogether, most probably would be 39 of us from different states.
And how many rounds will be there?
For the finale, I think three rounds would be there. And before that, we will have the prelims, we'll have the shoots, galas, dinners, and so much more.
Why and how did you inspire yourself to come into this profession?
To come into pageantry? Okay, see, when I was 11 years old, my designer, which is Leit, he was like, I think you should start modeling. So then I started walking for him, as in like ram work shows and all those stuffs. And then later from somewhere some message came that there's this pageant, like the first pageant in Joy, that is the Miss Joy Teenager pageant. And then my parents were like, yeah, go for it, we will support you, do anything that you like, we will support you. So then after that I started competing in pageants, and then I started learning that I can do this, I'm ready for it, I can go for a national stage as well. So here I am today.
So, I'd like to know, what's the point of this special friends? What do you expect?
Okay. Yes, so the point of this press conference is that I want your support. Kwa ay jingkyrshan ki yong pise mando poi por wo vote leni haikat ve emi por jing em kam ki yong I kwa ay jingkyrshan ki yong pise tenget aw to bum I na pi nga.
Cũng tidak melakukan pagi
ay hakat ba like anything that I want to do tang ba kiong pat ba focus on your career as well namar ba later in the future ngam im tamo na kani like I have to have a successful career the kiong bit ba do what you love tang ba naiklet pat ya ka career go chase your dreams ang katay